We are back at the car wash for day number 2 renovations at the new car wash. So what are we doing today? May I just say, what a beautiful view. Look at that green shrubbery. Look at the mountains and the blue sky. Picture perfect. That's why we love Southern California. Probably the only reason why. But today we're gonna start installing the bright LED lights. I think they're like 30,000 lumens, because at nighttime this place is probably like 65-70% of where I want it to be light-wise, and it's just not good enough. It's a little dull. It's got those yellow type lights, and we want the bright white lights. Man, it's another hot one. So that's what we're doing today. Edwin's at Home Depot right now getting some stuff. We're gonna start putting them up. I'm working on the vacuums. I wasn't in the mood to film right now, but I did some vacuums and I want to show you. I didn't film it. I'm in the middle of one. One sec. So believe it or not, this is not a brand new vacuum. This is the original one that was there. It's amazing what a brand new sticker can do. New hoses, new nozzles, and just polish it. I mean, what a night and day difference if you remember what they looked like from the other videos. Actually, here's what it looked like. Pretty much looked like that. Old, beat up. I did the one over here. I didn't get the big stickers because that's going to be real tough to put on anyway. So it's kind of like hidden behind the wall. I don't think that's the biggest deal. But with the brand new blue hose, nicely polished, and the new sticker up top, I just got to get a new one of that. That looks brand new to me. That looks brand spanking. This one could do with a new big sign. So I'll probably get one of those. There's my new hose going in. And this is the very pretty colorful hose that I'm going to get rid of. This is the new sticker. I was in the midst of peeling the old one off, and then I thought I better film this, because why the hell not? And it's been crazy this morning. It's been a rush. All bays full, cars waiting. So again, I didn't have much inkling to film, but we have a slow break now. I thought, all right, I better pull the camera out. The thing is here, when there's no shade over the vacuum cleaners, people just wipe down and dry their car in the bay. So every customer I'm going up, hey man, you got to pull out, this car's waiting. It's common sense, you know, you look behind you, you see cars waiting. Common courtesy, respect, pull out, let them in. But they don't, they just stay there and wipe it. They look at the car and they continue to dry the car. So it'd be nice to get some shade over the vacuum so people can pull out and get the shade, because that's why they're doing it. Some people don't like being told, but I saw 2 cars pull in, all bays were full, a couple were wiping down, and the cars just drove away. So I waved goodbye to my $6-7, whatever it is, and I told them to get out, because it's about 14 bucks I lost because people were hogging the bay. But it's cool. I'm not stressing with it. I'm cool with it. So these are the lights. They're actually gas station canopy lights. So if you ever go to gas stations at nighttime, like Arco or Chevron, you know how bright they are. So these are the gas station canopy lights. Oh, it says gas station on there somewhere. Service station. There we go. Anyway, friggin' bright. So that sticker came off pretty easy. Now it's time to put the new one on. No, I don't have stainless steel polish, so I use WD-40. Been using it for years and it works great. Convince me otherwise. Alright, here's the finished product. Well, somewhat of the vacuums. New hoses, new stickers, cleaned them up. I haven't done that one. But this one looks really nice. Almost brand new. Edwin's welding there. Perfecto. But here's the thing, you could have the most beautiful looking vacuums, polished, brand new, but if they don't work, who cares how they look? It's all about it working. It's working, it sucks really hard, and then it looks good. You know, having them both is best of both worlds. A really brand new looking vacuum, polished, clean, and works really well. That's as good as you can get. But having one that doesn't work that well, sucks about 50-60%, it's a little weak, but it looks amazing, who cares? But also if it works really good and it sucks at 100%, really powerful, and it looks a little rundown and crappy, not the end of the world. Customers are gonna love it because it's really powerful. OSHA. Prepping the lights, huh?
Yeah. Good.
Oh my goodness.
2 down.
2 down.
30 to go.
30 to go. Very cool. Lunchtime. Almuerzo. Abrazo. Show the people what you got. Did you want the cheese on it? You didn't say no cheese. Should not be by now. Your order is too crazy.
Yeah.
Burrito. Chicken, rice and beans, that's it. Australian burrito. Salvadorian dance. New helmet. Let's see it. Welding helmet with some smooth jazz going on. Like Christmas morning, huh? Smell good?
Yeah.
What does it smell used?
Look at that.
Get the Harley Davidson.
Yeah, let's see.
Judge Dredd.
Too big.
RoboCop. Time to rob a bank. Very
Pretty
cool.
nice.
Very nice. Time for the magic. Or the circus show. Good luck. It's happening. It's gonna be nice to have these 4. I just love how they turned out. Busy. All bays full except for the one I'm in. But it should be. I mean, it's Saturday, about 97 degrees. All right, Edwin says he's done. Let's check it out. Time to test it.
Fail.
Yeah.
Let's see.
Oh, you want the last one?
Yeah.
We need the horn. probably like,
I can feel it.
yeah. Yeah, it works. It's not super strong, but we don't have any gaskets on.
Yeah, because there's a lot of gaps here.
Yeah, once we put the gasket on, because we weren't even sure if it was wired up or powered up or working, but
Oh yeah.
it works.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. It kind of works.
So yeah, once we put the gaskets around here, seal up all the holes, it's gonna be good. All right. Got these new trash catchers, canisters to put in, since they didn't have any. And the trash was just loose. So this will be easy just to pull out. Let's put it in. Nice. This one was missing the hinges, or is missing the hinges. So we have new hinges with the rivet gun and rivets. So let's go ahead and punch them in, shall we? Oh yeah. Super tight. So this was that vacuum. It had the door missing. We now have the door on. I put the gaskets on, double sealed, because obviously the housing is a little janky. So this will cover all the holes and gaps. I got my dirt canister in. We got the security bars welded on. Let's close it up and start it. All right, look at that. Bars welded, locks on. Better be 100%. Yeah.
120.
120%.
Yeah.
Oh. Damn. Get all that.
Yeah.
That's probably one of the strongest vacuums I've ever felt.
I think we got it lower, bro.
Make it weaker?
Yeah.
Ah,
Much.
damn. Who would have thought? Well,
Buster.
it's only 3.5 months old.
Yeah. 24 months in kitchen.
It's not free in there.
Yeah. Kilos and bits. Hi, Bobby.
Man, he was thirsty. Kind of busy. Who's that sitting down, taking a break? Do some work. Do some work, man. I'm walking across to get some punch. We're gonna get a little Mexican from Pancho's Kitchen. It's good. Lunch time. What'd you get, boy?
Got a piece of steak with a bunch of veggies
Oh,
and a big chili.
big chili. Finally, got a big chili. And I got a wet burrito. Chow time. We're going back up in the sauna. Time to sweat. 150. Oh, I got a small walk all the way to the end. And I thought WWE training was hard. That's got nothing on this. All right, I made it. So this is just all part of putting up the new lights. Yeah, try that. Good? Glad to be out of there. Let's check out the new lights. Yeah, why don't you go up there? Sending me up to do the dirty work. There we go. Brand new LEDs, 30,000 lumens. Super bright, it's gonna light up the entire bay. We got these old ones. Like I said, it's about 60, 70, probably 60% of where I usually like my brightness. But these are gonna be next level. Oh man.